say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all want a single say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all want a single say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all want a single say fuck that. Boom, 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 boom. What's going on today? We gotta break away. We got a problem and I think it's gonna make us go down. They think we're all the same, and always there to blame. For shit I think is lame. It's time to stop the game. I think it's time to pay for everything you make me say. Y'all want a single say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all want a single say fuck that. Fuck that. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. What's going on today? Why has it been this way? We're going nowhere and I still not think the need to bow down. They think we're all the same, and always there to blame. For shit I think is lame. It's time to stop the game. I think it's time to pay for everything you make me say. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. We are breaking you down. We are the road. You found out yourself all across the world. You paid what you found all across the world. You're breaking you down. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that shit. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that shit. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that shit. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that shit. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that. Y'all wanna see us say fuck that. Fuck that, fuck that.
Follow my instincts blindly. Do I hide my pride from these bad dreams and give in to sad thoughts that are maddening? Do I sit here and try to stand it, or do I try to catch them red-handed? Do I trust some and get fooled by phoniness, or do I trust nobody and live in loneliness? And if I can't hold on when I'm stretched so thin, I make the right moves but I'm lost within. I put on my daily facade, but then I just end up getting hurt again by myself. I ask why I can't rely on myself. I ask why I can't rely on myself. I can't hold on to what I want when I'm stretched so thin. It's up to